Today, the Samarth by Hyundai initiative visits Hyundai's India headquarters with three very accomplished guests in an important step towards the acknowledgement of diversity and creation of empathy and sensitization that the initiative stands for.
Going up, the door is closing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this very special interaction at the Hyundai Motor India headquarters in Gurgaon, which aims to inspire, educate, and sensitize audiences on the importance of diversity, equity, and inclusion by highlighting the stories and accomplishments of individuals with disabilities. I have with me a panel of distinguished guests, our Samarth heroes, each a catalyst for transformation. So please join me in welcoming them as we discuss how we can make our world more inclusive. Major D.P. Singh, Kargil war veteran who was brought dead to hospital on arrival, but who went on to become India's first Blade Runner, then Asia's first disabled solo skydiver, and last year, Asia's first disabled pilot to fly solo. Major D.P. Singh.
Jai Hind.
Suvarna Raj, para-athlete, presidential awardee, motivational speaker, access auditor, and director at Sugamya, Accessibility and Inclusion. Amir Siddiqui, founder of Eagles Specially Abled Riders, who makes dreams come true by riding across India with his team. And of course, Tarun Garg, he's the COO of Hyundai Motors India Limited. Major Singh, you are a Kargil war veteran, and as I said, you were actually declared dead on your arrival in hospital in 1999. Today, you have not just lived one life, but many lives after that. Tell us about your journey from there to becoming India's first Blade Runner, the first Indian amputee to run a marathon, and many other firsts and records. The resilience you've shown is remarkable, but what was that one pivotal moment or thought that propelled you forward despite the challenges?
You're right, I was declared dead on arrival in the hospital, despite the courageous effort of my team who evacuated me from the battlefield, the 7 Dogra boys. And I'm always in gratitude to the team, the courage which they have shown. But after being declared dead, the doctor, Colonel Rajinder Singh, did save me also. That's how I'm sitting here. So the moment happened when doctor told me that because of gangrene, I need to ampute your leg. Two thoughts flashed in my mind. The first thought, I never take credit of that because that was some sort of a spiritual thought. But that thought was like, now let me see what life a disabled live. But the second one was my own, and that's when I promised to myself that come what may, I will never compromise with the quality and standard of my life. And the second thought actually enabled me to reach to a level wherever I could, and it transferred or transformed the life to a place where the first thought, which was a spiritual one, actually became a reality.
Thank you, Major Singh. That's really so inspirational to hear. But each one of your stories, and Suvarna ji, tell us about some of the specific challenges faced by women with disabilities in society.
विमेन विद डिसेबिलिटीज़ का अगर हम बात करें
जी,
तो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़े चेंजेस हुए हैं. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं कहूँगी, क्योंकि अगर हम मेट्रो सिटीज़ की बात करें, अगर मैं कहूँ कि आप हमारे साथ शहादरा सुंदर नगरी स्लम एरिया में चले, तो अभी भी हम बहुत पीछे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे. क्योंकि जब मैं वहाँ पे जाती हूँ तो वहाँ पे ये सुनने को मिलता है कि हमें सिलाई मशीन्स दे दीजिए, या तो हमें आप कैंडल मेकिंग का काम दे दीजिए. तो हमारी सोच अभी भी कैंडल मेकिंग या सिलाई मशीन तक क्यों है? क्या स्लम एरियाज़ में IAS, IAFS या फिर एजुकेशन में या फिर कल्चरर में या फिर स्पोर्ट्स में क्या बच्चे नहीं निकल सकते? निकल सकते हैं. और ख़ासकर विमेन विद डिसेबिलिटीज़ के साथ एक बात तो ज़रूर है. मैं अगर अपनी स्टोरी बताना चाहूँगी, जब मैं पैदा हुई बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक थी, 2 साल तक मैं चलती भी थी. अचानक से 2 साल की उम्र में बुखार आया, इंजेक्शंस दिए डॉक्टर ने, और मैं विदिन अ हाफ आवर मैं पैरालाइज्ड हो गई, मैं पोलियो मुझे हो गया 2 साल। जैसे मम्मी पापा बताते हैं कि 2 साल तक तो उन्होंने कोशिश करी थी कि मैं ठीक हो जाऊं, बट वो हुआ नहीं। बट 2 साल के बाद उन्होंने भी एक बर्डन समझिए या जो भी है, उन्होंने मुझे एक स्पेशल स्कूल में डाल दिया और मैं 10 से 12 साल एक 4 दीवारी के अंदर बंद रही। बट उसके बाद जब बाहर निकली, तब ये सोसाइटी मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं थी। ना मैंने त्योहार देखे थे, ना मैंने कुछ शादी फंक्शंस देखे थे, ना मुझे ये पता था कि गार्डन में भी जाते हैं लोग, सिनेमाज में भी जाते हैं। और सच बताऊं तो मेंटली उस तरह से प्रिपेयर हो गए थे कि ये चीज़ हमारे लिए नहीं है।
आप केज में थे,
केज में थे, एक तरह से केज में थे।
children with disabilities, I think major focus area होना चाहिए, because that is how
Yes.
you live full lives. In fact, Amir ji, of seeing dreams, जैसे सुवर्णा जी ने कहा, that the dreams should not be limited to just your four walls or that will do this. आप भी सपने दिखा रहे हैं, क्योंकि your journey from Jabalpur to Delhi, where you founded Eagle Specially Abled Riders, is truly inspiring. Just to let everyone know that the Eagle Riders have covered 3,500 kilometers on their specially adapted scooties to raise awareness about education for persons with disabilities. Amir ji, what made you start the Eagle Riders and how did you overcome the challenges on this journey?
एक्चुअली जहाँ से मैं बिलोंग करता हूँ वो बहुत छोटा सा एक गांव है, फतेहपुर। और उस छोटे से गांव में मोहम्मदपुर गौती में मेरी पैदाइश हुई। पैदा होने के 2 साल तक मैं ठीक था, लेकिन उसके बाद अचानक से एक दिन मुझे भी बुखार हुआ और ये पोलियो से मैं ग्रसित हो गया। मेरे पेरेंट्स से उन्होंने देखा कि गांव में इसके लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, ना तो मेडिकल की सुविधा उपलब्ध है, ना एजुकेशन है। उनका ये कहना था कि अगर हम अपने बच्चों को अच्छी एजुकेशन देंगे तो शायद ये आगे बढ़ सकते हैं और अपने लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं। तो उन्होंने मुझे जबलपुर ले गए, वहाँ पास इंजीनियरिंग के कॉलेज में, मतलब छोटे से जो पढ़ाई होती है जैसे 5th 8th 10th ऐसे करते हुए उन्होंने इंजीनियरिंग की वहाँ से पढ़ाई करवाई। जब मैं इंजीनियर बन गया तो दिल्ली आया, मैंने दिल्ली में सर्विस स्टार्ट करा। सर्विस स्टार्ट करने के बाद मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा एक ही चीज़ रहता था कि मैं डिसेबल्ड हूँ, लेकिन डिसेबल पर्सन के लिए कुछ ऐसा करूँ कि लोग बाग अपने आप को मतलब हतोत्साहित ना समझे। तो मैं यही लेकर के चलना स्टार्ट करा और हमने एक ग्रुप बनाया जिसका नाम है ईगल स्पेशली एबल्ड राइडर्स। हमने इसका नाम ईगल इसलिए दिया क्योंकि ईगल आसमान में सबसे ऊपर उड़ता है और हम भी पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी चाहते थे हम भी ऊपर उड़े, क्यों हमारी उड़ान जो है वो हमें अपने से है। हमने उसका एक तरीका चूज किया कि हम अपनी स्पेशल रेक्टोफेटेड स्कूटी को ही लें, क्योंकि हम चलने में असमर्थ हैं। लेकिन ये हमारी अपनी एक कल्पना है, और ये कल्पना मैं इसलिए बोलूँगा क्योंकि अभी हमने बहुत कुछ सोचा है, उसे बहुत कुछ करना है। अब शारीरिक नहीं है, मानसिक नहीं है, आप आगे आइए, बढ़िए, हम आपके साथ हैं।
Mr. Garg, and Samarth by Hyundai is a movement for equal rights for people with disabilities. How are you hoping to drive that change?
Sonia ji, at the outset, let me say that I'm feeling so inspired to be in the company of so very special people, because every individual, every human being works for himself. They work for their family, they work for their parents, but there are very, very few who are able to really go beyond and inspire so many fellow citizens. So thank you very much.
Absolutely,
And
that's wonderful.
I never knew that working in Hyundai will come with such privileges. So I'm feeling very good that I decided to join Hyundai and I'm on this platform. So thank you very much, DP Singh ji, Suvarna ji, Amir ji. I think while I have been working on this initiative now for almost a year, but hearing all of you has filled me with renewed energy to even further this cause. And coming to your question, Sonia, we believe very strongly, like Suvarna ji said. So while so much of work has already been done in India, and we have moved a long way, at the same time we still feel that so much more can be done, and it's all about giving it the right platform. It all starts with conversations. It all starts with storytelling. It all starts with sharing experiences, because we feel that a lot can be done in making people more sensitive. We should seize an opportunity that yes, God has given us this opportunity to do something very good. Being a part of Hyundai, I think we can use technology, we can use storytelling, we can use skilling. So many things can be done to start conversations, to make a visible change in the society, so that everybody feels, yes, I can contribute. Because I don't think this is just about one initiative or a one-off initiative. I think this is about, I'll be very happy when this becomes a movement, when every citizen of India gets attached to this and starts believing that yes, me or he, we can all make a difference. it has to be the soch of the country. One is doing, but other thing is thinking. Yes, people should start thinking. Yes, so much can be done, and these people are not different from us, and it's all about inspiring, and giving them that platform, and then of course, sky is the limit. Yeah, thank you.
No, and I think really we all applaud the fact that you all have come forward at Hyundai to take up this very important initiative. So thank you for that. And Suvarna ji, in your role, जैसे आपने कहा आप you're an accessibility consultant, you're an auditor, कौन से common misconceptions है about creating inclusive environments for people with disabilities? Why is it that even now, often in public infrastructure, in private places, it is so hard to accommodate or to include people with disabilities? What are the common misconceptions?
मैं स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगी, अभी गर्ग जी ने कहा सोच एक बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है
जी.
बट क्या हमने अपनी सोच के बारे में सोचा कभी? कभी नहीं. हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, सिर्फ वही स्टीरियोटाइप सोच में अभी भी बेचारा एंड बेचारी स्टिल. तो जब तक आप अपनी सोच को स्मार्ट नहीं बनाओगे, आप अपनी सिटी को कैसे स्मार्ट बना दोगे? तो पहले आपको अपनी सोच को स्मार्ट बनाना पड़ेगा. मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि सिर्फ सोसाइटी अवेयर नहीं हो, डिसेबिलिटी सेक्टर भी अवेयर हो. क्योंकि अगर आपको RPWD एक्ट के बारे में नहीं पता कि एक एक्ट हमारे लिए बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्ट हमारे लिए पास हुआ है, तो उस एक्ट की कुछ बातें, मैं नहीं कहती कि पूरी किताब आप रट लो, बट एटलीस्ट कुछ कि हमें इंक्लूसिव स्कूल में पढ़ने का अधिकार है, हमें एक्सेसिबिलिटी का अधिकार है. आपको पता है EEE अफेक्ट करता है ए से. अब आप कहेंगे कि EEE क्या है? मेरे लिए EEE है एजुकेशन, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड एम्पावरमेंट. अब वो कहाँ से वो उसको अफेक्ट क्या करता है? एक्सेसिबिलिटी. अगर आपको एक्सेसिबिलिटी नहीं, आप ना एजुकेशन ले पाओगे, ना आप एम्प्लॉयमेंट, ना ही आप एम्पावर पाओगे. तो डिग्निटी, और जो भी पैदा होता है वो सोचता है कि मैं डिग्निटी के साथ जीऊँ, हमारा भी नाम लिया जाए, तो वो डिग्निटी वहीं पे खत्म हो जाती है.
Right. No, that's very important. And Mr. Garg, on that, just taking that aspect, tell us a bit about Hyundai's commitment to the cause in terms of making your own spaces, both real and online, accessible.
Oh, that is something very, very close to my heart, and I'm very proud to say that 98.6% of our showrooms in workshops all across the country are now wheelchair accessible.
Oh, that's
So
wonderful to hear.
This is very important, and now as we know that world is becoming digital, so along with events, what we have done is something very unique and very novel, that even our website is now accessible. So we have removed all the hindrances. So they have a very good system by which they keep on trying, okay, different kind of disabilities, what could be the bottlenecks, and it's a very beautiful system. So we have worked on that as well. But whenever, like I said, we are doing this stuff, but when I am in the company of people who do not have the resources, look, Hyundai has resources, so we are doing it. I feel so inspired कि हाँ अभी मंजिल दूर है, अभी बहुत कुछ करना है. Also, we have, because we believe that there are specialist people like NGOs, like your Samarthanam Trust or GoSport Foundation, because we believe, and we talked about this, that how do we inspire so many others. So we believe that, cricket is something which really inspires people. So recently, in fact, the India-Sri Lanka blind cricket series, we had the opportunity to sponsor, and India won the series 5-0, and it was so good to be there. With the GoSports Foundation, I think now we are starting that we are going to adopt 20 para-athletes so that they can go and, compete and make the nation proud. Beyond this, we are also working on bringing some of the accessories, like, for example, we have a swivel seat now, so that entry and exit in the car, that is like a seat, it can be fitted in any car, and it makes it very easy for a person with special abilities to enter and exit the car. And we are working on more such accessories, and my dream is that everybody can, drive a car, and because we believe mobility is not only about moving from point A to point B, I think it is about opening the world of opportunities for all of us. Yeah, thank you.
That's a really important thought, and I'd like to bring you in on that, Major Singh, because your NGO, The Challenging Ones, has had a significant impact on the perception of disabilities in India. Can you tell us more about the challenges you faced in setting this up, and really how you've seen attitudes evolve over time?
So the whole game, like Swarna was also mentioning, सोच का ही सारा game है. Mr. Garg also agrees to that. सोच क्या है? सोच is attitude. when I started running, I was the first one to actually bare myself and expose my amputation artificial leg. क्योंकि उस समय मेरे दिमाग में ये जो डाउट था, लोगों ने डाला था कि आप डिसेबल हो, हालांकि आई गॉट ए वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री इन द डिसेबिलिटी फील्ड, आई वाज नॉट बाय बर्थ, बट आई रियलाइज दैट देयर इज अ misconception and a very restricted and constricted thought process behind the disability, maybe because those people who are able are very, very insecure from us. Now, I made a very strong statement. I made a very strong statement. There is a reason behind that. You know, if you put something in the mind of somebody कि तू नहीं कर सकता, तो बंदा अपने आप हार के बैठ जाएगा, उसको करने की उम्मीद छोड़ देगा वो. And that is where, as a soldier, I realized that I have to prove this fact first to me that I can do it, and automatically it will get generated and conveyed to the public at large that yes, it is possible. But after losing the leg, after attaining 100% disabilities, after having so many injuries in my body, when the question mark on the respect and ability was raised, so I believe the soch also starts from me. I can't force anybody else कि मेरी तरफ से आप मेरी तरफ इस तरीके से मत देखो. So the challenging one comes out from a perspective that I am a challenger, and a group of challengers coming together is known as the challenging one. Unless I take pride in myself that okay, I am 100% disabled, so what, I am an amputee, so what, I have so many disabilities and injuries on my body, I take pride in myself. मेरी मूंछ फिर भी ऊपर ही रहेगी.
And the power of Soch, the power of what you think, I think, Amirji, if you could come in, because the impact of Eagle Riders exhibitions, when you have gone across the country with your team of bikers or scootiers, what has that impact been on these communities?
एक्चुअली इम्पैक्ट की अगर हम बात करें तो हमने लोगों को मतलब एक दिखाया है कि आप अपने आप को कैसे एसेसिबल करते हैं. हम काम करते हैं एसेसिबिलिटी के लिए. हम जाते हैं, अगर एक मैं बात करूं 100% डिसेबल पर्सन की, तो वो व्हील चेयर यूजर्स होता है, और उसको ट्रैवल करने के लिए आप देखेंगे तो हमारे पास जरिया है ट्रेन, हमारे पास जरिया है फ्लाइट, लेकिन वो दोनों चीज़ें हमारे लिए एसेसिबल नहीं हैं. व्हील चेयर उसमें नहीं चल पाती, आप देखेंगे तो फ्लाइट में हम व्हील चेयर से नहीं चल पाते. तो हमने सोचा हम अपनी स्कूटर से ही क्यों ना चलें. स्कूटर से चलने का फ़ायदा ये होता है कि आपको जिस जगह तक जाना है बड़े आसानी से जा सकते हैं.
We'll just take a short break now, but we're going to continue this inspiring discussion right after that. Welcome back. You're joining us in this special panel discussion of Samarth by Hyundai. Major Singh, you're also now a brand ambassador for the Election Commission. We're in the middle of elections. How do you think that society needs to change, not look just only at specific sections? Elections, of course, are key, but in every part of life. How do we make this the new normal of inclusiveness for people with challenges?
See, there are two aspects to that. One aspect I already mentioned, it is about me, the person who is living a life with disability. That person should feel dignified, should feel respected, should feel pride in whichever way, situation, conditions he or she is in. Once I am having respect for myself, then only I can get the respect from anybody else. Second part is about the general public. Now, if I ask general public, do you know everything and anybody, anything? There are a lot of things which we don't know, which we can't do. But does that make us able or unable or less likelihood of doing something or not? You know, if we don't know something, we seek somebody's help or support. If our loved one does not know something, we go out and help him out. Similarly, why can't we help each other in little bit of need? Why do we have to think कि यार ये तो डिसेबल है, इसके बस का नहीं है. आप बोल के देखो ये बस का नहीं और मैं करके दिखाऊंगा. This is what I should think. So this mindset perspective, if you shift in yourself and I shift in myself, then rest of the things are incidental. You know, RAM बनाना, accessibility करना, ये automatically आ जाएगी सब कुछ हमारे पास.
Suvarna ji, you have won so many battles in your life. I think, as I said, many lives. You have won so many battles. Today, Do you think that I'm tired of struggling, that I want society to now also accept that this has to be the same for me and others? I want to rest a bit and not be Jhansi ki Rani all the time.
अभी हम बात कर रहे थे ना कि कहीं ना कहीं सोच की जैसे बोल रहे हैं कि झांसी की रानी, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि हम तो हमेशा सोसाइटी पे थोपते हैं ना कि सोसाइटी ने हमारे लिए ये नहीं किया, सोसाइटी ने हमारे लिए ये नहीं किया, लेकिन क्या हम अपनी आवाज़ उठा पा रहे हैं? मैं आज भी फ्लाइट से सफ़र कर सकती हूँ, मैं आज अपने होम टाउन जा रही हूँ नागपुर, और मैं मोस्टली ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं ट्रेन से ही जाऊँ, और मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि ट्रेन में जाऊँगी, फिर से पंगा होगा, फिर से मिनिस्टर साहब जो है वो बुलाएंगे और फिर से मुझे उनके सामने ये मौका मिलेगा रखने का कि नहीं, हमें अभी ट्रेन्स एक्सेसिबल चाहिए। होता क्या है ना, डिसेबिलिटी में अगर मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, आज ये रैंप नहीं होता तो हर व्यक्ति ये सोचता मैं डिसेबल्ड हूँ, क्यों? क्योंकि मैं ऊपर नहीं आ सकती, लेकिन हर व्यक्ति ये नहीं सोचेगा कि ये जो एनवायरनमेंट है ये डिसेबल्ड है। एनवायरनमेंट हमें डिसेबल्ड बनाता है, नॉट कि हम खुद डिसेबल्ड हैं।
No, that's
Very good.
so.
Very excellent point.
I think that's a very important point, Suvarna ji. And I think on trains, we will raise it with the railway minister, and I'm sure they would be very happy to change, because often you are blind to something till someone points it out to you. I'd like to thank you all for being here. It really has been a very special discussion. I think it's been a discussion which inspires and informs and will also educate everyone who's watching this. Thank you all very much for being here. Thank you.
Thank you, NDTV.